you guys doing out here? Oh, we were about to. Hey, who wants to go to the beach? Alright, whatever. Oh, what the? Oh. Oh my god, what the heck? Stop laughing. I said shut up. Kayla, you better not do it. Shut up, Frisk. I told you not to do this. Now you change our forms. Oh, heck no. Ah, do, da, do, da, da, do, da, da, Guess I'm here again. Do, 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 do. Oh, I look fabulous. I look fabulous. What was that noise? Hello, Sally. I come to steal your soul. Time to do it. La-da-dee. Ah, what the heck is she doing? Meanwhile, how are you even doing this? How are you even doing this, Frisk? I don't know, Sally. I'm doing my job. Your job is not to get rid of me, Frisk. Oh, how about I play a little music for you, Sal? No, not the music again. Alright, I got to admit, that music is straight up trash. That trash. Oh, so now I'm the one that's trash? Here, let me break your eardrums then. Oh, what the heck is that? What the heck is that? Anyway, they were just sitting at the beach, so we'll check up on you. We just thought we would just entertain. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? What the heck is that? And it was happily ever after. Anyways, this is the blooper part of the video, so here's where I messed up a lot, so long live Zucking. Zucking, is this Zucking or Bucking? Oh my god, I forgot to pause. Damn it. Okay, yeah, I messed up pretty bad with this one. I guess I'll be at the end. Bloopers. Let me try again. Take two. Long live your mom. Wait. What did you say? I said your mom. Okay, I'm done. Ha ha. Damn it! I forgot to put it in view. That ain't never do it. Ha 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 ha. I will push you off with my broom. You know, that's kind of sarcastic. You're kind of weird, Frisk. Yeah, I know, Sally. But but I'm gonna push you off anyway. Wait, what? No, I don't want to. First, is that a bat? I believe it is. Okay, why did the bat just save me? That's weird. Yeah, it's me, Future Kayla here, after recording all of these. These names were supposed to be in the video, but they're not in 4 pieces, so, yeah. I heard your mom say she didn't like you. There's something stinky in here. It smells like a flute. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I said flute. No, don't come in here, bitch. Yes, I'm sure. I'm sorry. I meant flu. P-U? I think it's you. Ooh, 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 ooh. If you liked this very terrific video, give it a like and a subscribe, a share, a follow, whatever the frick they're using these days, and comment I love you in the chat. Oh yeah, I had to use this because Carissa, yep, she's my girlfriend, and Kayla doesn't want to come out right now because, well, she's crying because she get wrong or see, yeah. Why did they give me this song, Steve? Why? So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.